Hello, I'm Chini from MSK MRI.
The case shows a focal hyperintense area and mild swelling at the insertion of the lateral collateral ligament. Based on these findings, we can interpret this as a mild proximal lateral collateral ligament or LCL injury. The first point I want to highlight is that we tend to see less edema and hemorrhage in LCL injuries compared to the medial collateral ligament. To better understand this, let's quickly review MCL injuries on MRI. A grade 1 MCL injury is characterized by subcutaneous edema adjacent to an intact MCL. While the signal intensity and thickness appear normal in grade 1, a grade 2 injury shows proximal MCL intraligamentous hyperintensity and thickening due to a partial tear of the superficial MCL fibers. The key point here is that even in a grade 1 MCL injury, we often see more surrounding soft tissue edema than in LCL injuries. The second point I want to talk about is that the proximal LCL can sometimes demonstrate increased signal intensity, which could potentially be mistaken for a partial tear. However, this increased signal may correspond to normal connective tissue mucin. So, in cases without a clear trauma history, we should consider this possibility as well. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it.